act like the person you want to become. That's not fake it till you make it, by the way. This is intentional. Intentionally act like the person you want to become. Because when you intentionally act like the person you want to become, your brain sees you taking those actions, so your brain starts to change the way it relates to you. When your brain sees you high-fiving yourself in the mirror, it starts to go, oh, wait a minute, Steven loves himself. Steven's cheering for himself. We don't beat Steven up.
YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peyton, better known as Peytonissa, and if you don't know me, get to know me. So as y'all can tell by the title, pretty much already by the preview, you know what is going down today. I am becoming a clean girl. I already classify myself pretty much a clean girl, but you can never be too clean, and I want to go and do Clean Girl 2.0. Basically, I have been feeling super lazy these past few weeks. I don't know if it's the weather changes, but I've been lazy. Like, I'm only doing the bare minimum, showering, eating, going to sleep, doing my work barely. So it's like we have to get back on track. Summer is coming, so I feel like there's no better time to get back on track. This is going to help me get motivated as well as help you guys get motivated to do things for yourself and just stay on top of what you wanted to do for this new year, because I feel like now that the year is like in the middle almost, we're kind of falling back from what we wanted to do in our New Year's resolution, and I feel like we could definitely get back on track. So if that's you, this video is for you. Become a clean girl with me. I already pretty much did start this series a little bit last week. I did not film, but y'all will see everything that I do film, and there's a few things that I want to get done in this vlog specifically. First thing being, I have to tidy up my room. My room is never really dirty, it's just clothing dirty. I went and got a new bed set. I want to put that on my bed. As y'all can see, there's nothing on my bed. I also want to get back on my fitness journey. I have to get in the gym, but I've been just doing yoga inside of my room, which I still will do today, and I will hit the gym today, but you know, I like to kind of weigh those two out. Have to get my nails done. I did get my toenails done last week, which you guys will see here in this video too. I want to make a new vision board because I feel like a vision board always gets me into the mood to do better things for myself, and it gives me a goal to work towards. If you watched me for a long time and you're OG, you know I already have a vision board on my door, but we need to do like vision board 2.0 because some of the goals on that vision board I pretty much hit. Like, and any goal that I didn't hit already on that vision board, I will be putting on my new vision board. So I have to kind of collect pictures for that. I think lastly, I'm just gonna make dinner. Like, y'all know I can cook, or if you don't know, now you know, but I haven't cooked in a long time. I've been eating out so much, and I just know it's not healthy for me. When I eat badly, it breaks out my skin, it messes with my stomach. So that being said, I will be cooking dinner. I'm not sure what I'm gonna cook, but we'll figure that out along the way. I went Hygiene shopping, and I need somewhere to put the new stuff that I got. So I need to get shower shelves as well, and then I'll show you me like organizing it. And I think we can do that pretty much today because I already did order some and they should be here in no time. You know the way I put my top, how I love my cool, how I look at you, say why. Hey guys, it literally got so hot and I'm so sweaty from just doing that, running around my bed and tucking the stuff in. I'm about to take the covers off my pillows and put the new covers on, so let's do that. Just finished all of my pillows. They look super cute. Now I just have to figure out how I want to put them on my bed, and I'm gonna put my throw blanket. I also always had this fuzzy pillow. I'm just not sure. They match. And this pillow is like a body pillow. It matches with my throw blanket, so I'm just gonna put that too.
Doesn't make sense. Shit just got real, things are getting.
Okay y'all, so we just got in the car and we're on our way to the gym. They just opened, so hopefully it's pretty clear. I don't like working out with other people, but if they are there, so be it.
I hate you look like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know never come to.
Okay, y'all, so I just got done in the gym. My edges sweated themselves out. I had a great workout. Like, I woke up so early, excited to do my workout. I did not like filming in public. I still don't like filming in public, but it's like you just have to send it because who's gonna stop you? Like I said in my last video, y'all always ask me for tips. Don't be scared to film in public. If you're scared to film your footage in public, you're not gonna get good footage for your video. But I got a lot of good clips, so y'all probably already saw that. But I did not bring my Stanley, so we're gonna go to Wawa just to get me like a refresher maybe. Okay, y'all, we just got to Wawa. I'm not sure what I want. Okay, I'm getting this. I'm gonna get me a sizzly. This is the turkey sausage one. I got this turkey sausage sizzly. This is my go-to sandwich. I always get that from Wawa. I got a hash brown. And then I got this pineapple lemonade refresher. Oh my gosh, that was the best gym session of my life. If you need motivation, if you're feeling lazy, if you want to get back into the gym, this is literally for you. I'm telling you, I have never felt this refreshed when I woke up. I usually wake up and don't want to get out of bed. I got that part done and I'm just so excited. Now all I have to do is take a shower because I did sweat.
Pulling up outside of magic. Low when I'm ripping the plastic. Low when I'm popping the elastic. 7 on the dick, you ain't never hearing nobody so nasty. Georgia Peach, you know that I'm keeping it ratchet. That nigga gave me his heart.
Within the time that you guys saw me go to the gym and get Wawa, I also took a shower. I kind of showed you guys a little bit of my shower routine and like the things that I have going on. Obviously, y'all can see I'm in my clean girl fit. I like to think a clean girl fit is a fit with solid colors and there's jewelry, no matter if it's silver or gold, but 9 times out of 10 it's usually gold. My bag is by Isaac Mizrahi. I don't know if I said it right or wrong, but that's who it is from, and like that's like the final touch of my outfit, I guess. Within this time frame as well, my nails are done, as you guys can see. Okay, so I got my nails done already. They are done. Okay, so I went with cheetah print, which I've been loving. Now moving on, we have to make my vision board. I'm so excited. This is my most favorite part ever. Y'all know my vision board is my life, the one that I already have, but we're going bigger and better.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you.
So I just got home. I printed my pictures. I printed at least like 30. I think I printed like 24 pictures, maybe 23. I'm pretty excited to like fill in this new board, this new vision board, and I'm excited because it's literally a new era to life. I don't know exactly when I'm gonna put it together because I am so tired. I've been up literally since 4 a.m. Oh my gosh, my legs hurt because y'all, I went hard in the gym. Not only did I do all of my sets, I did 60 squats in total at the gym, and my legs are on fire and I forgot to stretch, so bear with me. I just need a nap. I already took a shower. I'm about to change into some PJs. Hey y'all, so it's been a significant amount of time. I think we last stopped where I showed y'all what pictures I had and I kind of spreaded them out on my vision board. I posted a few TikToks and now all I have to do is put my board together actually, so I'm super excited.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay.
that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like, okay, I used to be
High volume, high volume, high volume.
Okay, I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him.
Okay, y'all, so I just finished putting everything where I want it to be. And now I'm literally just about to take a picture, glue it down, and hopefully I love it as much as I love it right now because I love it so much.
I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay?
Hey guys, so I just finished my vision board. As you can see, it is up there. I just have it there because I have to get command strips to actually put it up. I'm debating if I want to put my vision board on my door where my old vision board is, or I'm debating if I should just keep it up there with the command strips. But that being said, I finally finished everything. It is pretty late and I am hungry, so I think I'm gonna make the dinner that I was supposed to make a little bit earlier before I took my nap. I'm just making lamb chops, mashed potatoes, and I'm gonna do broccolini.